How to cancel your Worldpay merchant account. If you're no longer using Worldpay for payments, you can cancel your merchant account easily. Start by logging into your Worldpay merchant portal. Go to the account or profile section from your dashboard. Before canceling, make sure all pending transactions and refunds are completed. Also, download any payment reports or statements you might need later. Next, look for the option called Close Account or Request Account Closure. If you don't see it, you'll need to contact Worldpay support directly. You can reach them through live chat, email, or phone. When you contact support, provide your merchant ID and business details for verification. They may ask you to confirm your reason for closing the account. Once approved, Worldpay will begin processing your closure request. It usually takes a few working days for the cancellation to be fully completed. You'll receive a final confirmation email. Once your account is officially closed, make sure to disconnect Worldpay from any online platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, and that's it. That's how you cancel your Worldpay merchant account safely and properly. Thanks for watching.